Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 screen rotation not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and then click on this icon and restart your mobile, and after restarting it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open Play Store and here go to search bar and search sensor test. Now from here install this application and then open it, and after opening the app click on accelerometer test, and now test all your sensors. And after testing, go back to your home screen and open settings, and after opening settings scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm,